Hello, you guys. Today I wanted to do an experiment, but I don't have enough paint. I'm trying to use the paint that I had left over from my last pour because I just love those colors. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to use the rest of the paint that I have. Basically, I'm just going to do a blowout. So I'm just going to put the paint on the canvas and I'm just going to blow it out. So let's get started. I'm going to try to do like a Dutch pour fashion, but we'll see what happens. I love this color, so I want some more of this color in the painting. It always seems to disappear in the painting because I guess it's just so light. But I like that color. Do a little bit more of this one since it's a light one too. And let's just do a little bit of blue, a little bit more blue. Okay. I'm going to use some cell activator and see if that gives me a different outcome any. Now this is a little bit of a experiment as well. See what I'll get. Let's try it on low and see what happens. Low is not really doing it for me, so let's try on high. Okay, so I really like this. I wanted this to go a little bit more this way, but I really like it. It's different and it's beautiful. I dig it. Okay, I'm going to bring you down for a close-up. Okay, here we are, the close-up. That corner is awesome. Okay, there we go, you guys. I love it. Tell me what you think. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. If you have not subscribed to my channel, you're new to my channel, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, you guys. Until the next time.